In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share document link in Pandadoc. To begin, make sure you are logged into Pandadoc and that the document you want to share has already been sent. Sharing a document link is useful when you want someone to view or access the document quickly, without needing you to send a separate email message from inside the platform. First, open the sent document. You can usually find it in your documents list under the section for sent or completed items, depending on your account layout and the document status. Click the document name to open it fully, so you are viewing the document details and actions. Once the document is open, go to the top right corner of the page and find the Invite button. This button is used for sharing access options, so it is the place where Pandadoc keeps tools for inviting people or providing a shareable option. Click Invite to open the available choices. After you click Invite, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Share via Link. This option creates a shareable link that you can send through the communication method you prefer, such as a chat message or a separate email. Be sure you choose Share via Link from the drop-down, since other options may be related to inviting specific recipients directly. When you select Share via Link, Pandadoc will show a link on your screen. Carefully copy the link provided. Take a moment to confirm you copied the full link, especially if you are copying from a small text box, so you do not accidentally leave out characters. Now you can share that link with the person who needs access. Paste it where you plan to send it, and you are done. As a quick tip, only send the link to people you trust to view the document, because anyone with the link may be able to access it depending on your sharing settings. And that is all there is to it.